Hey everyone, want a higher card limit on your Capital One card? In this guide, I will show you how to request a credit limit increase step by step. A higher limit can boost your credit score and improve your financial flexibility. Let's dive in. So, method 1 is requesting a credit limit increase online. So, log into your Capital One account, then go to Services section, then navigate to Request Credit Line Increase section and fill in the details like income, employment status, and monthly expenses. Then click submit and you will get an instant decision or a response within a few days. Now, method 2 is calling Capital One support. So, you can dial 1-800-277-4825, that is Capital One's customer service, then request a credit limit increase and provide the necessary details. If eligible, your limit will be increased immediately or reviewed further. Method 3 is automatic credit limit increases. So, Capital One reviews accounts every 6 months for potential increases. To improve your chances, pay bills on time and keep credit utilization below 30%. Increase your income on file by updating it in your account settings and use your card regularly but avoid maxing it out. Also, you should keep in mind that sometimes your new limit is approved immediately. Other times, it can take a few days and they will send you a letter by mail with details about the decision. They can approve you for the highest amount and they can offer and give you the option to choose a lower one if that works better for you. So that's how you increase your Capital One credit limit in 2025. If this would have helped, like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next video.